Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Eva Evelyn. I'm back again with another video, and I want to say thank you so much for those of you who have subscribed to my YouTube channel, the 400 plus. I'm so happy for that. So welcome back, and today I'm doing a video on hard care. So this is a video on how to make your hands younger, how to make your hands brighter and soft. Of course, we want our hands to be soft like that of a CEO. You know what I mean? Yeah. So welcome back. Stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe, to like and share. So the first thing that you're going to need is warm water. You're going to soak your hands for some few minutes. Then you're going to use your body scrub. You scrub the hands. Make sure that you scrub everywhere. This is to enhance the removal of dead skin and to remove dead skin. At the same time, this scrub is a brightening scrub, and therefore it gonna make my hands not to look so dull, like to look younger than they are. So even if you have done your manicure, please make sure that you are taking care of your hands even after the manicure, so this is something very simple that you can do just for like 2 minutes. You're done. You just use the scrub to wash your hands. So in the process, you're scrubbing your hands, even the upper part of the hands. Make sure that you do that everywhere in between the fingers, like you can see me doing, please. And make sure that the scrub that you're using is very gentle. Don't harm your skin while scrubbing. So guys, if you have not subscribed, please make sure that you subscribe. Let me know what do you think about this hard care. Then after that, we are going to rinse off. We rinse off. Then I'm going to use a toothpick. Then I'm going to add a little bit of soap. Then clean the toe, clean the nails, the inner parts of the nails. We all know that at times it gets dirty, so it's good to clean it. So that is what I'm doing using a toothpick. So guys, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please make sure that you subscribe, you like, you comment. Let me know in the comment section, how do you clean your nails? How do you ensure that you take care of your hands even after doing a manicure? So please let me know in the comment section, and I will really appreciate. For those who have subscribed, thank you so much. Then after that, I'm also going to clean both the hands. That is what I'm doing, cleaning both the hands, so ensuring that the nails are clean. Now that the other parts of the hands are already clean, the palm in between the fingers and all that, so I'm just ensuring that everything is in order and it's clean and looking good, because these nails, the tips, we all know how they look like inside, and especially if you don't really take care of them, they can be really messy. So this is a tip, something that you can be able just to clean them and ensure that your hands are clean in general. Then after that, rinse off everything. And then dry your hands, not part dry. Then after that, moisturize. I'm using a Limis. That is what I'm going to use to moisturize my hands. So I'll just be massaging everywhere as I apply the moisturizer. Of course, right now they feel so good, they feel so soft. You can't imagine. I wish the camera can be able to take how the feeling, but it can't. So I would urge you, please, can you try out? Would you try out this one? Let me know. And if you have already tried, let me know also in the comment section. So I appreciate the fact that you are here, the fact that you have taken your time to stay tuned all the way to this part of the video, towards the end of the video, until you have seen the result. Thank you so much. I really appreciate. Please make sure that you subscribe if you have not subscribed, like, share, and guys, let me reach help me reach 1,000 subscribers in 2 months time, please. For those who have already subscribed, thank you so much. Anyway, I'm just here feeling my hands trying to show you the results. That is all I'm doing. But would you love your hands to look like this? So bye bye, see you in my next video.